Do check my last video on an amazing whitening yogurt clay pack.
Hello my super babies, it's time to sleep and I am right now in Jaipur. So I was thinking why not do my travel nighttime skin routine. I've already made a previous one before. I'll put that in the description box if you're interested. So now it's time for some skin routine before I hit the bed. So first I'm going to be tying my hair. Now it's time to get rid of my makeup first. I don't have full-fledged makeup. I have a little bit of makeup, but I have to get rid of it. So I'm going to be taking this wet wipes. This is from Japan and it works superbly. So I was like, let me take this and it's travel friendly. So I'm just taking a wet wipe. This is makeup remover wet wipe. I see to that how much of makeup I put and however tired I am, before I go to sleep, I have to get rid of it no matter what. It's a schedule which I've been following for years. Like I have to get rid of the makeup because even mascaras and all, sometimes if you sleep with it, it goes into your eyes, which is not good. So yeah. Now I've got this hot cleansing gel. This is specifically made to get rid of makeup. That's what the lady in Japan told me. With special water for all skin types. It's supposed to be like really good. And yes, when you put it on your skin, your face actually becomes hot. I don't know how. And it gets rid of all the remaining residue. So I'm taking a little bit of it, wetting my face. And just going through my full face. It has this, I think it even gets rid of dead cells because a little bit of, granules comes out when I like gently start scrubbing. So I think it removes the upper layer or something like that. Everything is written in Japanese actually, so I cannot understand, but whatever that lady told me, this is really good. I feel like it gets rid of all the little bit of dirt or makeup, which whatever is there left. And yeah, I'm going to wash it off. I just washed off the hot cleansing gel. Now it's time to wash it off properly with a face wash. And I'm applying the perfect white clay. This is again a Japanese brand, Zenka, and it is superb. It gives a super brightening look actually. So I'm just taking a little bit of it. Actually, this is super. Just little bit, just see how much it has lathered. It is too good. I'm really sorry if the lighting is not proper because this is in the hotel bathroom. Now I'm going to apply the SK2 Illumination Mask and Lotion. This is supposed to be very good for spot removal, instant brightness and all the goodness which we all want. If you're not seeing my Japanese haul, high-end haul, you can check it in the description box. I've shown these products over there also. I'm so sorry I look so messed up. I don't know why my hair is just not setting up. So anyways, just taking a little bit of it and I've been liking this actually. And I'm massaging it on my skin. Now I'll wait for it to completely soak in and then I'll get back. So now it's completely soaked in and I'm going to be taking the Ika Nano Essence with gold leaf and all that goodness. This is also from Japan. So this is just my, travel series. I'm just taking a little bit. It's got this nice, gold tinge in it. I'll be taking a little bit and dabbing it all on my face. under eye because this is really supposed to be super good for wrinkles. So yeah, why not? I'm just pressing it into my skin now. Yeah, that's all. I am done and I'm going to sleep now. I'm super duper sleepy. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and make my day. Don't forget to subscribe to Princess Priyanka. Did anyone notice? It's not Princess Priyanka Loves Food and Mag. It's become Princess Priyanka from past 2 months, I guess. Did anyone notice that? If you're not still subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit on that bell next to where you hit on subscription. If it darkens, that means you will be notified whenever I make a video. So don't forget to do that. And yeah, I don't know how you found this video because I just wanted to share. I'm out right now, so like why not? And I did the same routine even when I was in Japan. So yeah. So yes, see you later in another video very soon. Bye bye.